Today we're gonna be replacing the stock blow-off valve on the MK3 Volkswagen GTI. First, you have to take off those little factory clips. One was right here, and there's another one in the bottom. Once you take those out, oh, just pop it out. That's it. I'm gonna put the aftermarket one. Put this one in the bottom. Connect this one on the side. And I need to disconnect this one. But once, let me focus. But once I'm done, I'll update you guys. Once you measure everything, it'll fit nice and easy. Now we have to make sure to buy these because sometimes they don't come with it and you can use the stock ones. So I'm just gonna tie this, the bottom one, and that'll be it. So that's how it's gonna look like when you finish. We're gonna do a first startup.